Alright, so we're back. I don't know how much of this you could even hear. Last time I was standing down on this rock right down there. So let's say the water went up a couple more feet. Do the first throw. It is cold. It was warm last time. Now it's cold. It's like 50 or whatever. Colder than it was. I don't like it. Oh, I think I just had a fish. Thought maybe I had a fish. I don't know. The wind is blowing out there. I'm kind of in this cut, so it keeps me a little bit out of the wind, but not too much. Alright, try something else. Alright. Come on, buddy. So he was sitting right up in here, real close to the bank. Got it out. Check him out. Ah, nothing too crazy. Dad, you could tell he was on the bottom. Look at all the mud on his belly. Whew. Thank you, bud. Ugh. So I got a few other bites, but that was the first like catch. But he was right up in this little cove right here. He was just right there hanging out. Tell you what, this wind is crazy. Nope. Oh, did I get stuck again? Come on, don't get stuck. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then I get stuck over there, man. Why do I keep doing this to myself? Oh, man. I'm crazy. I got to get this out. Almost got stuck again. Alright, not stuck. Alright, we got something. He's like not moving though, so it's so weird. I don't know what we got. Whatever it is, it's just slowly moving back and forth. What is it, a smallie? A little small smallie? I think so. I think I see it. Oh. Oh, yep. He was like, smallie fight so hard you think that they're like giants or whatever. I mean, this isn't a bad smallie, but he fought like a giant. Whew. Check him out. Nice, beautiful fish right there. Get him back. That was funny. I thought I had a giant the way he was swimming. He was swimming like no other. He was digging down deep too, I could tell. I got something. Oh, I got a smallie right here. Standing in the flooded water. Caught his face. Dang it, man. Got another little guy. Nothing crazy. In the flooded water. Got it. Got it out. Oh. Let's try one more time. Come on. Always getting hooked up right there. God, man. There we go. Boom. Can we catch another one? Can we get snagged? Jeez. Almost. I'm standing on like a little old rock. Fighting the wind. I'm over all this high water. I know it's going to make the fishing better, but dang. It's moving. Alright. We're on again. Oh! Get up here. Oh, it's a good one. Wait a minute. Let me look at this fish. Oh! Ah, he's out of here. I thought he had the same little mark of the other fish that I caught, but he didn't. I was gonna say, Dad, I just caught the same fish. But nope. Oh, I got a whole brand. I got a 3-pounder. Oh man, that's a PB right here. Oh, definitely oh, it's a definite PB. Oh, it's a definitely. Oh, yep. Dang, look at that. Yeah, that's like a 40-inch branch right there. Look at that. Dang. That's a giant, guys. I think I might have a fish, but I'm stuck on the bush. Bam. Nope, I did have one. Dang it. There we go. In there. Woo! Come on. What did I get stuck on? Alright. I don't know what's going on now. Oh, what do I got? I got something. Oh, what the heck? Oh man, he got loose. Ugh. Come on. Dang it. Of course, I'd get stuck again. God, man. Got it. Got it out. All right. Come on. I don't know. I just had a bunch of bites and then they just... God, he's like yanking. Oh, he's a good size one. Whew. Well, he must have wanted that one because he choked it. All right, bud. Let me get that out of you. Ah. Alright, I got it. Chill, my guy, chill. Let's get this hook out of you. Where's it at? Gotta find it. And then I'll pull it out because he's trying to swallow it, so I'm just gonna pull it out sideways. So I'll just take it like this. So I had to go behind his gill and take it out. There we go. Got it. No problem. Look at that. Ooh, little blood. Get him back. Alright. Whew. Alright. Same little bait. Pull it back up. There we go. We'll see. Come on, fish. Take it over there a little bit. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, there we go. Sorry guys, I wasn't even paying attention. Another little guy on the way out on the swimmer. Check that out. Whew. We're on our way out of here now. Do a few more casts before I go. Come on, catch another bass. Probably not. Right now. Ah! Almost fell in the water. Close call right there.